asshole.
He gonna run him over.
He's a straight asshole. They're not to be celebrated at all.
Oh my gosh.
Oh God, these are all assholes.
These are nice. I love it.
Yeah. Oh God, you're talking about like this is what generational wealth looks like. That's it right there.
That's gonna be me in the future. I'm telling you.
Yo,
No. That is me in the future.
you're the heiress of L'Oreal. Is now worth like over $100 billion.
Oh my God, are you serious?
Yes.
So imagine.
All that from inheritance from what her grandfather did with L'Oreal. And as a matter of fact, she was in
Fun.
a trust battle with her.